Hello beautiful people, and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time watching, I'm Sheree. Welcome. If you happen to be returning, you are truly appreciated and thank you so much. You guys, today I have a very mini haul, okay? But I cannot wait. I could not wait another second to share this fragrance with you. No, I have not been under a rock. No, I have not been, well, I have been in the house for the past 4 months almost, okay? But you guys, I had no idea about this fragrance. I did not know about it. I actually received it from Royalty Scents, okay? And I went and got a full bottle. It was full bottle worthy. I sprayed it twice, okay? I sprayed it twice and I was like, oh yeah, I need a full bottle of that. And you know how I feel when I find something good, I find something I love. What do? I come and I share it with you. Why? Because she feels sharing is caring. So I'm going to share that with you today. I have 4 new fragrances that I'm going to share with you today. One of them I have already revealed on the channel, but in case you missed that video, no need to worry, I've got you covered. All right, here on this channel, I do cover fashion, beauty, luxury, and lifestyle. If you like any of those things, or perhaps you're like me and you like all of those things, I love for you to consider hitting the subscribe button. I am trying to close 2020 August with 20K followers, subscribers, okay, whatever. Anyways, you guys, if you like the vibe, hit the subscribe button. If you're already enjoying this video, take 2.5 seconds and go ahead and hit the like button. Without further ado, let's get into these fragrances. Probably only one of them would be appropriate for right now, but you know, you do fragrance whenever you want. I spray according to my mood. I don't care if it is a oud, okay, heavy fragrance in the middle of August. If I'm feeling it, I'm gonna spray it. That's just what I do. I make my own rules over here. I do my own thing. I dance to the beat of my own drum. Girl, can we get to the fragrance? Okay, you guys, so in case you missed it, let's start with this one, my first cupcake. This is my first cupcake from the House of Sillage. Trust me, there are many more to come. I'm completely obsessed now. You know how I find something, fall in love with it, and then I just keep adding it and adding it and adding it. So I will be adding another cupcake. When, I don't know, but probably soon. Okay, you guys, so here it is. Look how beautiful this is. Oh my gosh, it's simply gorgeous. If you missed that video, I will try my best to remember to link it at the end of this one. You guys, this is such a beautiful fragrance, okay? It is super sexy. I also stated in that video that this would be a perfect fragrance for a man or woman, in my opinion. I don't know what man wants to pull off a cupcake and wear it, but hey, you know, my guy's probably gonna share this with me. I mean, it just is what it is. It's beautiful. The bottle is beautiful. I mean, there's not enough I can say about it. It's got raspberry, it's got caramel, it's got oud, it's got saffron. I'm not here to do a whole, you know, give the notes and everything, but I just had to let you know that it's very sexy. This is really good. This is new. This is added to my collection. Full detailed review, I'll try and link it at the end of this one, you guys, but this is a new addition and I absolutely love it. Oh my gosh, hold on a second, one more way. Oh gosh, okay, I have to move on. Okay, another one is, if you need an easy reach, something that you can just get out of the shower, reach, grab it, put it on, and it's gonna go anywhere that you're going. This one right here, this is a new one. This is by Chanel. It is from the Chance fragrance flankers, and let me just share this one with you. I was perusing on the website because Chanel Beauty does it like nobody else, okay? Although I may have found a brand, you guys, that when it comes to packaging and when it comes to, I don't know, okay, I can't speak on it yet. Okay, I can't speak on it yet, but I have found another brand that does amazing packaging, who is delivering luxury right to my door. I'm just saying, Chanel, I'm just saying. You guys, this is it here. This is, God, don't butcher it up straight. It means water. This is from Chanel, and this is Uve. Okay, I'm trying. It means water, okay? I used the Google Translate to look it up and it means water. This is so good. You spray it on. Yes, I've already sprayed some stuff on, but let's just spray it in the air because I've already been planning on wearing this one. It is a nice, beautiful burst of grapefruit. You get some mandarin, some orange, some citrus in there, but it's really nice. And the thing about it is that when it dries down really nice. You still get the mandarin, you still get the fresh. Sorry, we are not here for a review. You are just sharing the fragrances. If you would like a full in-depth detailed review, let me know. I can make that happen. But you guys, if you need an easy reach, something easy breezy to go from lunch to date night to dinner, is it sexy, uber sexy? No, but it is good. It didn't get a lot of, you know, hype or anything like that around it. I mean, I was just perusing the website, to be honest with you. I didn't even know it came out, but it's really, really good. So I highly recommend it. When I find easy buys, especially easy reaches, you know, if you like a citrus, you know, perfect for spring, perfect for summer type fragrance, I think this is good all year round actually. I mean, it doesn't really get that cold here, so I can get away with this in LA year round. If it really gets cold where you are, you probably would want to stick to spring and summer, but for me, I can wear this year round. It's really good. I highly recommend that you get a whiff of it. It's good. Okay, I move on. We haven't got to the one yet. I spoke about this and it finally came. Remember this? I still have the wrapping on, you guys. I didn't even unwrap it. This is Santal Royale. This is oud, sexy, heavy. This is gonna be perfect. I have found out basically that I am more of a heavy hitter. If you have not watched my heavy hitter video, check that out, it's really good. I am a heavy hitter girl. I like the fragrances to be hard, heavy, and strong. I don't have a lot of easy breezy, reachy, freshies in my collection. I mean, a few, but if it comes to something that I really like and what really talks to my heart and speaks to me, it would have to be like, you know, oud scents. And why I'm obsessed with oud right now, I have no idea, but more of a heavier scent. And this right here hits so hard and so heavy. I have already done a detailed review on this because I had a sample. And after I played with the sample and found out that I really loved it, I had to order it. So I did. So that is this one here. If you would like another full detailed review, anything that I'm showing today, if you would like a review, leave it in the comment section below. I've got time. I can make that happen. I move on. This is the one right here. Oh my gosh. I don't know where it's been. I don't even know how to say this name. No, I have not opened it. I did wait for you guys, okay? This right here. Let me just show it to you. Let's open it. We're opening it together. Hold on. Comes in the box like this, you guys. Box comes off, okay? We are opening this together. There's the top. Top comes off like this. Look, I had to get up to show you this one, okay? Here's the name, here's the box. Look at the top. This is simply gorgeous. It weighs a good 5 pounds, not even exaggerating. It is heavy, heavy weighted. This here is the actual bottle. Comes like this. Comes in another cap in case you wanted to take it and put this on it so that you didn't have to have the full cap. You can put this one on it instead, or you can get rid of that cap, or you can go with this one. And this weighs a good 3 pounds. This is one you can actually pick up like this and it would not, you know, come apart. You can pick it up. It's heavily weighted, but the cap is really nice. This right here, okay? Tiziana, I don't know. Spirito, Fiorentino. Okay, can I get credit for that? Because I try. Can I get credit for that? Because I tried, you guys, I'm trying. Okay, I don't know everything that I need to say about this. Is gonna take a long time, so I'm not gonna even do it. If you would like a detailed review on this fragrance, please let me know. If you have this fragrance, if you've heard of this fragrance, if you heard rumblings of this fragrance, please leave it in the comment section below. You guys, this is, wait up, hold up. I have a whole new term for this one. This is so sexy, uber decadent, just, you know what I mean? This has got the growl, the roar, it's good, it's sexy, it's masculine, but still feminine. It's just, come on girl. Let's spray it for the first time. Oh my gosh. Okay, here we go. I'm not even wasting it to spray it on this paper. No, not today, not today. Okay, I'm gonna say it because I already thought it when I first tried it out. So I'm gonna say it to you as well. It smells like, wait for it. Oh, and this is the extrait version, right? Yes, this is the extrait ED Parfume. Okay, there we go. So I have that out of the way. Like I said, in-depth detailed review, let me know. Okay, when I first sprayed it, I automatically got MFK Baccarat Rouge 540 Vibes. Not the original, the extrait as well, the ED Parfume. Okay, this is giving me the same, but this is done differently. You know, you get a reminiscence of that, but no, it's not that. But it does give you a reminiscence of that. It's not as sweet, and there's some, I don't know, what is it? Oak, saffron, smoke in the back that makes it hot. It's got that heat, it's got that roar, it's got that raw, it's like, rrr, you know what I mean? Oh my gosh, you guys, it's so good. I've been looking for a fragrance like that. These kind of fragrances just do it for me, okay? I get really excited about it, yes, because I absolutely love them. Hold on, let me give you some of the notes, because this is the whole reason why I wanted to come and, you know, do the little, whatever, miniature haul. Call it a mini haul, okay? But this is the one that I wanted to tell you about. So I came prepared because this is the one that I wanted to share the most. This is a warm spicy. This can be for a man, a woman, a boy, a child. You already know. It's for a human, people. A human can wear it. It's got lily, magnolia, jasmine, saffron. I knew it had saffron. I knew that's where it was coming from. Ambergris. It has orange. It has a little bit of citrus, not a whole lot. Lily of the valley, sandalwood, birch, oak moss, leather. I just get heat. You know the fire emoji on the keyboard, the phone, whatever. If you know what this is, can you just hit the fire emoji? Just hit the fire emoji, so that way I know you know what the heat is. You are familiar with Tiziana+Terenzi, and I know that's not how you say it. Okay, so just give me a couple days. Okay, I'll practice it. Just give me a few days. I'll practice it. When I come back and do the full in-depth detailed review, you will know it. Actually, I already had a sample of this, and so I can tell you the review. It's good. It's a double take. Is it blind buy worthy? If you like those type of fragrances that hit hard, heavy, and sexy, and strong, and just like a boss, and you're just ready to just exude all of it, you can blind buy it. This is not for the faint at heart, I don't think, but it has enough sweetness in it that it could be. But that birch, is that what it is? That birch and oak moss, and the leather and the saffron is making a little bit more like, you good? No, I'm good. You good? Are we okay? Like, yeah. You know what I mean? It's like that. It gives you a little bit, you just stand up straight. It's a confident booster. Seriously, you stick your chest out a little bit. You like walk a little bit different, like a little taller. Shrey, are you getting all this from this fragrance? Seriously, you've just sprayed it, and that's what, you guys, that's what it's giving me, okay? That's what it's giving me. And I can only give to you what a fragrance gives to me. That's it. I'm done. That's all I wanted to tell you about. That's all I wanted to tell you about. I also got a ton of samples from them as well. Hello. So I will be, yeah, I didn't even spray these, you guys. I don't know what they smell like. Let me show them to you up close. I have not tried these yet. I have not smelled them yet. I do not know what they smell like, but they did send me a ton of samples. So I will be spraying those and playing with those. Hopefully I can bring you some other fragrances. I'm looking for new fragrances, something different, something unique. I like to add stuff to my collection that I wholeheartedly, 100 honestly % love. Stuff that I can bring you this kind of review on. I don't just want fragrances in my collection because they're popular or because everybody has them. That's a great way to be too. They're popular probably for a reason, but I like to be on the hunt to find fragrances that just do that for me, that gets that kind of reaction from me. That is it. That is all I have. I hope you guys are doing really well. I am hot as fire, okay? And that's all I have. This was a very impromptu video. This actually arrived in the mail, and I said, that's it. I was filming another video, and I said, no. Stop what you're doing. Let everybody know about this fragrance because it is good. And when I find good, I like to share them with you. You know the drill. If you have not hit the subscribe button yet and you enjoyed the content, go ahead and consider hitting the subscribe button if you have enjoyed today's video and you found it entertaining, fun, an escape, whatever you may have found it. Go ahead and hit the like button. Give it a huge thumbs up, you guys. That helps out the channel so much. If you know anyone who enjoys fragrance videos, please take 2.5 seconds. Yes. And send them this video. Share it with your friends. Share it with people who also love fragrance videos. I am trying to get the channel to 20K by my birthday. My birthday is in August, and I know that you can help me do that. What else did I have to say? That is it. So I will see you guys in the next video. Until next time, you know the drill. Be blessed, stay fit, stay fabulous, but more importantly, stay safe. Thanks for watching. Bye.